Welcome to High Tech Low Life, and today I have for you a kind of a messy unboxing. See, I'm in the process of moving. Anyways, this is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's the 128 gigabyte version, sorry. Mostly because it's the cheapest of the most expensive phones. And honestly, this phone is beautiful. Have you seen it? Like, shit, oh my god. The unboxing experience is kind of simple. I mean, there isn't really all that much in here. There's only the phone, documentation, a SIM remover, in my case, a SIM card as well as a USB-C to A charger. Not even the block, just the wire. You know how Apple did that, and now Samsung is doing it. Yeah, I'm a little miffed too. And I think these are like 20 bucks, the chargers anyways. It's not worth it. Just use an old one, borrow from a friend or something. Or you can just buy a third-party one. I don't really care. I'm not responsible for what you do. I'm gonna use this phone to record all of my videos from now on, but you know, the funny thing is that I can't even use it to record the video on me unboxing it right now. And I'll show you what I've been using to record this the entire time, actually. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. It's served me well for a solid 4 years, and honestly, it's still quite usable, though there are a lot of quirks that get me kind of annoyed, and honestly at this point, looking at how damaged it is already, I think it's time for a change anyways. Are there gonna be some things that I'm gonna miss? Yeah, like a headphone jack as well as a micro SD slot, but honestly, I think it might be worth the trade-off. I am gonna have to get a case as well as a screen protector for my phone. Gotta protect my investment, you know? And I'll do a full review of the phone sometime later after I've had some time to get to know it. In the meantime though, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I know I've been kind of busy on hiatus, but I promise, once I finish moving that is, I'll be free to make videos again.